In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome user avatar quickly and easily. This is a simple way to personalize your browser so your Chrome profile feels more like your own. Whether you want a new icon, a colorful design, or just a fresh look, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. That's where your current profile avatar appears. You may also see it on the profile selector if you use synced Chrome profiles or have more than one account set up in Chrome. This little icon is what represents your user profile, and it's what we're going to change today. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner. When you do that, Chrome will open the profile menu and show you a few options related to your browser profile. This menu is where you can manage your account, switch profiles, and customize how your Chrome user looks. From the menu, click Customize Profile. This will open the profile customization settings, where you can edit the appearance of your Chrome account. Depending on your Chrome version, this may open in a small panel or a full settings page, but the option you need should still be easy to find. Now scroll down until you find the Avatar section. Under this section, you'll see the available profile pictures and icons you can choose from. Chrome gives you a variety of avatar options, including colorful icons, animals, shapes, and even emoji-style avatars. Just browse through the choices and pick the one you want. As soon as you select a new avatar, Chrome should update your profile icon right away or after you confirm the change. This makes it easy to quickly personalize your browser without needing any extra software or complicated settings. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, this is also a great way to make each one easy to recognize at a glance. And that's it. You've now changed your Google Chrome user avatar. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make your browser feel much more organized and personalized. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Chrome guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.